Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on OPPO A38. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can make your Firefox your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out the Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. And here you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And now your Firefox browser is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.